What is going on, family? Today on the channel, we are talking about a project that has brought the anime truly into the NFT scene. This is going to be huge. I am not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Please note the disclaimer. I do it so we can hang out, find cool stuff like this, and get it on your radar, okay? I want to be involved with this community just as much as you do, so sharing is the way to do that. Now, if you're excited, let me know in the comments. Let's roll the video. So guys, when you get on the website, this is what you're going to see. It's going to take you straight to their home page, and it has the join the Discord and mint now. You can click learn more and it will start going down the website. Now, straight away join that Discord and the mint now button if you are wanting to get straight into this project. If not, click the learn more, and we do advise everyone doing your own research. The links will all be down below, so please only use trusted links. So this is an exciting NFT project that seeks to provide a creative and immersive experience for the ACG artists and enthusiasts around the globe. Now, in a world that is making it harder to be creative, it is, and most artists are struggling for a living with chasing their dreams, especially ACG artists who belong to the neglected and forgotten in the art creation group. We're eager to provide a community where fans can collect and share their favorite digital artworks in the Metaverse Club. Do your own research, but in a nutshell, they're providing a social club inside of this NFT project where everybody can get together, okay? All the ACG artists are getting together and becoming one again like they just used to be, okay? It's designed by 10 dedicated artists worldwide. We're all able to make this come true. We have some exciting and unique opportunities planned for each of our holders. I'm going to tell you about them right now. Please click all their social medias and get involved because this is incredible. Here are some of their artists. Obviously their names, their faces are hidden, but you can see their names there and where they're from. You can see this is artwork from the actual artist. Okay, this isn't just a picture put on, so you can see their different styles of art that we've got here mixed into one project. Really, really cool from different countries uniting. Now, going through the different kinds we've got, all right? We have the human, and if you scroll across, you'll see the draconic girl, the mermaid, the mobile suit, the angel, the kitten, the demon, the fairy, the Oni, the foxy, the human again. So that's all of them. Super excited. Some of them are hidden. We've got to keep you on your feet, but you can see a little sneak peek of some of them now. The utility, so the Stageverse exclusive membership club. That's where the holders can enter the club with no cost. Remember, 0 cost. Okay, with real high receptionists and weekly hold events, members can socialize and have fun all the time, free as they want inside of the club. They have the exhibition events where they will hold large scale events, okay, in the metaverse. Exhibitions, no longer do you have to walk into that exhibition in town. It's in the metaverse. And you can meet up with your favorite anime experts and go to concerts and stuff like that. Let me highlight this. The possibilities are unlimited. A massive thing going on is the weekly sweepstakes and giveaways. So once you've minted one, okay, if you mint a FREEDEN NFT for free, and then you could join their weekly sweepstakes with various prizes. There's going to be prizes in every single one of their social media. So get in, they have lottery pools, everything. And one big thing is you actually get the ownership to vote on what happened, where events are going to be held, prizes, things like that, if you own one of their FREEDEN NFTs. You get offline privilege as well, utility specially provided by the ACG enthusiasts, the global anime con support, okay, you get line sighting service and offline convention party, on-chain voting like I just talked about, so you get a choice to vote into these things, and the special bonuses. So the FREEDEN NFTs give holders special bonus. They will be purchases, okay, more than one NFT will enjoy exclusive benefits. So if you want to get your hands on a few, you are going to be rewarded, I promise you. So you understand what this is I'm talking about, Stageverse. It's a new dimension for, as you can see, community, converse, creativity, the conversation, the connection. It keeps going through, okay? Commerce is probably the biggest and most popular. This is what you are getting involved in. You're going to look in, and as you scroll down, it starts to show you. You can play this and have a look, but I want you to do your own research, okay? That's the big bit. Building a better way together online. Links will be down below. Please go and have a look at this. I'm not going to go through this because it's not what the project's about, but this is where they're going to be built. It's where you're going to be walking in and watching the expeditions. So guys, what I want you to do, okay, is join this competition. It's got 3 days left and it's open, so there's no entries obviously right now. This promotion does start, like I said, in 3 days. Gleam Signature Sweepstakes. So this is the sweepstake that we've been talking about, the extras that you can have. Okay, you're going to click this link. The links will be down below, and you are going to enter this. I promise you, these are the best ways to get free crypto, get prizes, get posters pools, and get recommendations inside of the community. So get involved in this sweepstake. Now, a top tip from this channel is we can actually give you a code if you enter the following code. Now, you might want to write it down, but it will be posted in the links below. If you enter C for Charlie, R for Romeo, G for Golf, M for Mike, 06, P for Papa, R for Romeo, M for Mike, and O for Oscar, you will get bonus entries into this sweepstake. Now, get involved. I told you I was going to give you some sauce, and I've done that right there. Quick look at their Twitter now. It's very small, but we are just getting this rolling. Obviously, the languages you need to translate on some of them, but get in there, give them a follow. It is at FREEDENIO, so FREEDENIO. Links will be down below. And say you're from this channel, give them some love. Okay, I want to tell you that there's going to be different weekly sweepstakes, and they are going to be hosted in their Discord. The link will be down below, so please join the Discord if you want to get involved in more of the sweepstakes. So in summary, guys, a lot of announcements, but I wanted to get this on your radar because we do have the exclusive code that's going to get you the benefits of the sweepstakes, bonus entries, things like that. The best way to get crypto in this world right now is to get the sweepstakes, get the bonuses, get the giveaways, okay? So get involved. I'm super excited. If you are too, let me know in the comments. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, have a blessed day.